Hey there, financial enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting concepts in the world of finance, passive income. Imagine generating money while you sleep, sip cocktails on the beach, or pursue your passions. It's not a dream, it's passive income. So, if you're ready to learn some incredible strategies to boost your bank account effortlessly, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we're about to unveil some amazing opportunities. Let's jump right in. Before we dive into the strategies, let's start with the basics. What exactly is passive income? In this segment, we'll break down the concept and explore how it differs from active income. Get ready to open your mind to a whole new world of financial possibilities. One of the simplest ways to kickstart your passive income journey is through high-yield savings accounts. In this segment, we'll discuss how these accounts work, where to find the best rates, and how they can help you generate extra cash without lifting a finger. Want your investments to work harder for you? Look no further than dividend investing. In this segment, we'll explore the power of dividends, how they work, and how you can build a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks to create a steady stream of passive income. Are you ready to step into the world of real estate? Rental properties can be a goldmine for passive income. We'll dive into this lucrative strategy, discussing how to find the right properties, analyze cash flow, and manage rentals to generate consistent profits. The internet has opened up incredible opportunities to generate passive income through online businesses and affiliate marketing. In this segment, we'll explore how you can monetize your skills, knowledge, or passions by creating digital products, launching e-commerce stores, and partnering with companies to earn commissions. Ever wanted to be the bank? With peer-to-peer lending, you can become a lender and earn interest on loans directly. We'll explain how this innovative platform works, the risks involved, and how you can diversify your portfolio to mitigate potential losses. There you have it, Money Moguls. A treasure trove of passive income ideas to help you unlock financial independence. Whether you choose high-yield savings accounts, dividend investing, rental properties, online businesses, or peer-to-peer lending, remember that diversification and patience are key. Start small, educate yourself, and let your money work for you while you enjoy the fruits of your labor.